Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on the noise suppression feature on Discord mobile. This is a great feature if you're having a lot of calls on Discord mobile and you want to reduce some of the background noise from your microphone. So the process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Discord, and then once you're logged into your account, you want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And then you'll be on your settings page. Then you just want to scroll down till you find the option that says voice and video. So here it is right there underneath app settings. You want to tap on voice and video, and then you can have all these other options, but you want to scroll down until you get to the video processing section. And right here you can see it says noise suppression. So when you enable that, that's going to suppress background noise from your microphone. So most likely it's going to be toggled off, and then to enable it you just need to make that switch blue. So toggle it on just like that, and then noise suppression will be on. Then you can go back into your Discord main area, and then you can begin having phone calls, voice calls, and video calls within your mobile app. So that's the process. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.